Just read it. Otherwise, it takes 379. 379.
लक्ष्ये ब्रह्मणि मानसं दुरकरं संस्थाप्य बाह्येन्द्रियम् स्वस्थाने विनिवेश निश्चलतनो स्टोपेक्ष देहस्थितिम् ब्रह्मात्मैक्यमुपेत्य तन्मयतया चाखण्डवृत्त्या निशम् ब्रह्मानन्तरसंस्थितात्मनिवृता शून्यैकिमन्यैर्गमैः लक्ष्ये ब्रह्मणि मानसं दृढतरं संस्थाप्य बाह्येन्द्रियं स्वस्थाने विनिवेश्य च निश्चल तनु देहस्थितिम् उपेक्ष्य ब्रह्मात्मैक्यम् उपेत्य च तन्मयतया अखण्डवृत्त्यानिशम् ब्रह्मानंदरसम् आत्मनि मुदा इव अन्यैः शून्यैः भ्रमैः किम् अगेन लक्ष्ये ब्रह्मणि मानसं दृढतरं संस्थाप्य बाह्येन्द्रियं स्वस्थाने विनिवेश्य च निश्चलतनुः देहस्थितिम् उपेक्ष्य ब्रह्मात्मैक्यम् उपेत्य च तन्मयतया अखण्डवृत्त्यानिशम् ब्रह्मानन्दरसम् आत्मनि मुदा इव अन्यैः शून्यैः भ्रमैः किम्
Having got rid of desire and identification in the embodiment in terms of jati, kula, etc., including the embodiment. It was told, Atmani Prajnam Kurushva. Make the mind get absorbed in the Swarup. Make the mind get absorbed in the Swarup. Same thing is now absorption. Lakshe Brahmani Manasam Dhudataram Samsthapya. Manasam means Manaha. Having made the mind Samsthapya, abide, get absorbed in what? Lakshe Brahmani. In Brahma, which is Lakshami, which is Dheya. Dheya Brahmani. Having made the mind get absorbed in the Dheya Swarupa Brahma. Dheya Swarupa Brahma Samsthapya. Then Bahendriyam Swasthane Vinivesh. Bahya Indriyas means both Jnanendriyas and Karmendriyas. Swasthane, in their sense centers, Indriya Golaka. Indriya Golaka, sense center. Means having withdrawn the senses, Indriyas, from their Vishayas. So that is what is called Swasthane Vinivesha. Then is Cha further Nischala Tanuhu. Nischala Tanuhu. Body must be Nischala. Nischala means what? Steady. Do you know why? What this person is set for? Make the mind get absorbed in the Swarupa. Even chanchalatva of the body is going to distract. See, all causes of distractions have to be avoided. So, whether it is Vishaya, whether it is body, Indriya, etc., all they are to be avoided. So that is it. So, Nischala Tanuhu, sun. For example, this comes under the category of asana, stiram, asanam. That is what? Stiram, sukham, asana. Otherwise, what will happen? Nowadays, with rheumatic, I think moksha will have to be postponed. Postponed for next birth. So, stiram, sukham, atma. See, distractions on account of these also should not be there. Why? Mind. Anywhere mind gets preoccupied. All preoccupied in the mind other than Atma should be shunned. That is why then only mind can get absorbed in the Atma Sarupa. So, Nischala Tanuhusam Deha Sthitim Upeksha. Everything is okay, but concern for body. भिक्षा मिलेगी क्या नहीं? तो शाम को भिक्षा मिलेगी क्या नहीं? देह स्थिति, that is what? देह स्थिति पोषणादौ अभिमान. Abhimanam, identification with all this. But one thing here, context is such that a healthy body is taken for granted. This is not neglecting the body. See, actually, a person who doesn't have the health is not permitted to take sannyasa. First prerequisite for the sannyasa is what? Healthy body. Unless it is kutichaka. Kutichaka means he takes sannyasa, but he is looked after by the family only. He is looked after by the family only at the entire, because there are apat sannyas also. Apat sannyas, you know, emergency sannyas. It is like this. See, this person is a Shraddhavan. He has got Shraddha in the Shastra. It is said, if one dies as sannyasi, even if moksha is not there, he gets better lot. It is true, provided Viveka Vairagya is there and then taken sannyasa. But what they do, they take literally. And the doctors have declared that no hope whatsoever for this, etc. And he has got Shraddha, so Pandit is called, and then sannyasa. And that means there much elaborate ritual also is not, because this fellow is not available, already bedridden. Ram Nam Satai, few hours only, so few hours only are remaining. So that is a, he is given sannyas. That is a Shraddha. Okay. Otherwise, what sannyas? Because don't think sannyasa means what? Ideal life, not that. It is more industrious life. Maybe he is not doing Herculean task, Shravana, Manana, Vididhyasana. Why sannyasa is advocated by Shastra? Sannyasa means release from karma. Why? So, because this person is going to get preoccupied in Shravana, Manana, Vididhyasana to such an extent, if he has to take to karma, he has no time. He has no time to that effect. He has no time to that effect. So that's why Shastra relieves him from this duties and says, you are exempted from karma. But who is that person? Who has already taken to karma yoga. One who has already antakarana shuddhi. One who has already chitta. For him, karma is redundant. Why redundant? See, karma, whether it is physical anusthana or manasika karma, upasana, can give only two types of results. What are those two types of results? One is fulfillment of desire. For other person, for a mumukshu, antakarana shuddhi and chitta naishya. This person has already got it. Shuddha antakarana is there and mumukshu there. Because mumukshutva is that viveka vairagya and this chitta naishya is there. Karma is of no use at all, and therefore this person is exempted and he has given more time to take to Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Therefore the mandate is Sannasya Shravanam Kurya. Having taken to sannyasa, one has to take to Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. So Shravanam Kurya. So Sannasya Shravanam Kurya. So that's why here So this is not neglect. One health is a must, but don't pamper the body. Let not your mind get preoccupied in the upkeep of the body. Bare minimum things have to be. See, even sannyasi has got rules. He is not supposed to walk more than certain miles per day because parivrajaka. See, because misused body will have its own effect in course of time. What is going to be done afterwards? Where sadhana is possible? Shariram adyam khalu dharma sadhana. First and foremost means of taking to sadhana is sharira, a sound and healthy body. Our no shastra speaks of this. This is a foolish tapas. It is not meant for this Vedanta. So keep the body in a trim condition, but never pamper the body. Bare minimum necessities will have to be met with. So that is how it is. Dehasitim cha upeksha. Upeksha. Then Brahmatmaikyam upekshya. As a result, he is capable of making the mind get absorbed in the Swarupa. Then cha tanmayataya. What is tanmayataya? Brahmamayataya. Mind has become Atmamaya, Brahmamaya, saturated with Atma Brahma means. What is the present condition? Brahmamaya or Abrahmamaya? Anatmaya. What do you mean by Anatmaya? Vishayamaya. All Chintana is up about what? Vishaya. So now Chintana is Atma. So it has become Brahmakara. It has become Atmakara. It has become Akhandakara. So Atanmayatayacha Akhanda Vrittya. See, what is that Tanmayatva? Akhanda Vritti. What is that Khanda Vritti? A Vritti which has no Khanda division. You know what are the Khandas? Subject, object and the relation. Triputi. Pramata, Anubhavita, the subject. Prameya, Anubhuta is the object. Anubhava or knowledge, Prama, knowledge. These triputis are not there. Means that Antakarana has become one homogeneous Atma Swarupa. A very good word, English word. Homogeneous Atma Swarupa. For us, no problem. Atmamaya. Atma. The one homogeneous or Sanskrit word is that Ghana. Ghana means dense. What do you mean by dense? Nothing else. That and that alone is that. So therefore it says that one homogeneous. And what do you mean by homogeneity? Nirvishayatva. No Vishaya. No Vishaya. Akhanda Vrittya Anisham. Anisham means Nirantaram, no cursive, Dhyana Saptaha, like Bhagavata Saptaha. So like that what? No, we have got no many cursive. Police also have got cursive. Even BSP has got cursive. So like that, Dhyana Saptaha, Camp Saptaha, Sadhana Saptaha. Havas is sadhana dashaha. Navaha is 9 days. Dashaha 10 days. Mahabaleshwar sadhana dashaha. 10 days of camp and such. So that way, this is not that correct. If you want to begin that way, do it. Because if that is the only your psychology, start with that. But after continue. But what they do it. Afterwards what happens? What? Kire maja maar gaya. You know, some people go to this meditation technique, especially Igatpuri variety. You know, you should know what is Upalakshana, Igatpuri Upalakshana. What is that? Vipassana. See, they say it should be 10 days. Otherwise, effect is not there. Do you know why? They regulate your food intake. Food intake is regulated, and when the food intake is there, thoughts, they slowly go on diminishing. And there are some techniques, fine. Technique as far as physical, varieties of techniques can be employed. They have got certain techniques, but that's okay, that is fine. But because of that, what happens? Thoughts get dwindled, they become less, etc. And as the 10th day happens, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And I exposed to Vedanta 20 years, but I could not get the peace of mind. But when I sleep, I got the peace of mind. Until when? 11th day evening. Until the fellow comes back to Bombay. Afterwards, the fellow will compensate for whatever that he has not eaten for 10 days. So that is not the thing. So techniques are there. So this is why in Himalayas, people go for higher altitude, like Kedar, Badri, Gangotri. There are some Mahabhagas who stay in winter. Winter, even water gets frozen, and they manage to. They are very quiet and sharp, and they think that we have progressed. We have progressed in sadhana because mind is so composed and this thing. How long? Until Tehri comes. Because he returns, altitude goes on diminishing. By the time the fellow reaches Rishikesh, he has picked up half a dozen of corals. I have literally seen this. Not from within, from Uttarkashi. We were in a camp, Bada Swami Ji, Pujya Swami, Chinmayanji. So therefore he used to have a cake, this thing as well. And there was brahmachari there. It happened that this 1 month camp was there at Bharuch. That bridge got collapsed. There was a heavy disease. And Bombay Delhi route is what? Disrupted. They are from the center as well. And we want a coach, separate coach as well. It took another 1 month for. By that time, one brahmachari, known person only, senior brahmachari, happened to come there, etc. He also wanted to come, and the date was fixed, etc. So 2 buses were hired, and the 2 buses, he said, can I come and organize? Said, yes, there is a known person, etc. Come, etc. And this person was wandering in the Himalayas. Literally, he picked up 3 corals up to Rishikesh. One with the one who is monitoring the bus, Guru Bandhu only. With him he picked up the coral. At Tehri, with some driver he picked up the coral. At Rishikesh, with octoroid, he had no business. He was a respectable guest. He was a respectable guest. He can travel, etc. That was there, etc. But why? Nature. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So that means that born trait doesn't go that so easily. Efforts are even anger. So Guru Mapi Dhik Karoti. Head turns that way. So that is why one should be very cautious about these things. Vedanta is not just academic introspection. Unless the mind doesn't have that disposition, how the Vedanta can bless? It is just not possible. So that is it. So Upitan Mayataya, Atma Payataya, Brahma Mayataya. Anisham, no Saptaha, etc. No Saptaha means that very good. Not that way. That is it. Then what you do? Brahmanandarasam Atmani Piba means dwell in your Swarupa, which is Brahmananda. See? Well, Atmani Brahmanandam Piba. So that is Brahmanandam Rasam Atmani Muda Piba. Happily. Here then what is happily? Effortlessly. Without any hindrance. That's right. Muda Piba. Then Annaihi Shunyaihi Bhamaihi Kim. By other Shunya Brahma. Shunya Brahma means what is Shunya? Pitless, worthless. What is that? Any blessed thing about the Vishaya is what? Provided one has discovered it by Viveka and Vairagya. Otherwise what? Oh, Vishaya is everything. So that is the see. One thing should be kept in the mind. Upanishad, Vedanta, means both one and the same. Recommend Vairagya, do you know for whom? Mumukshu. Upanishad do not recommend Vairagya to Bubhukshu. I hope you know the distinction. Who is Mumukshu? Moktum Ichhu. And who is that person? The person who doesn't take the things for granted. Who had applied his mind in terms of viveka and personally discovered that the Vishayas do have got the capacity to give some joy, but they cannot really make me happy and contented even at their best. Even at their best. Is there something more worthwhile? He has come to know. Yes. Though not discovered, yes. But it says, and that is what? Not somewhere. It is your own soul. To this Mumukshu, Upanishad recommend Vairagya. Kashchid dhiraha atmanamaikshat avrutta chakshuhu amrutatvam ichcham. Dhiraha means viveki, one who has made use of buddhi. Atmanamaikshat. You discovered the Swarupa. How? Avrutta chakshuhu. Literally, Avrutta chakshu means with the closed eyes. Closed eyes means what? Senses withdrawn from Vishya. That is why he is called as what? Dhiraha. Because mind can gravitate easily to the sense object. How much effort is required to get floated and drifted around with the current of the river? But to swim against the current, it needs the strength like that. What for? Amrutatvam. These are also discovered in the Amrutatvam. That's why Mumukshu. As for Mumukshu, because this person is incapable, Vedas have got a long shopping list. Our Vedas are very practical. They gave, that is what, means for everyone at their own level, but a graded development is that. So that is the nature of our Shastra. So now here, Annaihi Shunyaihi Brahmaihi. This Shunya means pitless Vishayas, only Brahma only. What is going to be done? So that's for what? By all efforts, make the mind get absorbed in the Swarupa. Again, Atmanishtha, Brahmanishtha. Again, same thing is further exalted.
Anatmachintanam tyaktva kasmalam dukkha karanam Chintayatmanam ananda Rupam yadmukti karanam Advaya Kasmalam Dukkha karanam Anatma chintanam Tyaktva Yat रूपम आत्मानं चिंतय। अगेन, कश्मलं दुःख कारणम अनात्म चिंतनम त्यक्त्वा यत् मुक्ति कारणम आनंद रूपम आत्मानं चिंतय।
कश्मलं दुःख कारणम अनात्म चिंतनम त्यक्त्वा। Kashmala means that which is ashuchi, impure, like what you call dirty and foul. So, dirty and foul. Also, Kashmala also means moha, delusion. But here, dirty and foul. So what is that? Anatma chinta, not only Kashmalam, dukkha karanam, that which is cause of sorrow. As Lord Krishna puts it. What is that? Yattad agre mrutopamam pariname vishamiva. Rajasa sukha. Rajasukha is what? Vishaya sukha. Agre amrutopamam. To begin with, next line. Pariname vishamiva. On the contrary, satvik sukha. Yattadagre vishamiva. To begin with, no kicks are there. Literal kicks. So, kicks is physical kicks will be there, but kicks in terms of enjoyment is not there. But why physical? Early morning you have to get up. So that's why you have to do this Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, etc. And oppositions are more starting from home onward. Home onward, including neighbors, the eyes are there. किधर जाता है? किधर जाता है? So, because those who don't have values are bound to oppose that. Okay, that's why Dhira. So, Dhira, yes, it's what it is. See, in the society, if you are drifting along with others, you are the ideal person. But if you go against it, कुछ गड़बड़ है ऐसा दिखता है. So that needs the value structure, strong value structure. We can understand that, right? That's fine. That's why now Kabir says, सबसे बसिए, सबसे रसिए, हाजी हाजी बोलिए, बैठिए अपने ठाम. Mix with all people, सबसे बसिए, सबसे रसिए, interact with them. I think there is nothing wrong if you say yes. Haji, Haji बोलिए. Whatever they say, yes, they say, this is the right person. बैठिए अपने काम. Don't give up your value structure, which you have discovered, which you are convinced that this is the value structure. This is the, because you can't educate all the people. From family members onwards, you have to put up with that. So that's the best thing, to have a harmony from the family members. Because it becomes santapa, it becomes a tapa, etc. So, but don't deviate from the basic value structure. So that is the case. Kashmalam dukkha karanam anatma chintanam. Thinking of what? Anatma. Why you have to take to Atma Chintana? Automatically mind has to be withdrawn from Anatma Chintana. Anatma Chintanam Tektva says Yat Mukti Karanam. Whatever that is the means of gaining moksha. Again moksha means what? Discovery, direct discovery upon Swarupa. Don't think going like heaven, etc. Direct discovery upon Swarupa, which we have got deprived of because of Anatma Chintana. Yan Mukti Karanam. Depending on the status in life, some Vyavahara has to be taken into. That's why I say Grahastha has to attend the Vyavahara. So if there is sannyasi, has to totally, they say, grahastha should with spirit take to this pursuit as well. So, yan mukti karanam ananda rupam atmanam chintaya. Meditate, contemplate on Atma, it is ananda rupam. Again, see, that lot of repetition is there. Again, that chintana prakara, the mode of meditation, which was told in stanza 370, where it was told, Dhyam yaksha buddhi sakshini. Make your buddhi resolve, absorb in sakshi of buddhi atma. So that Dhyam yaksha buddhi sakshini of this 370 verse is further now elaborated.
Esha swayam jyotirasesha sakshi vijnana koshe vilasasya jasram laksham vidhaya namasat vilakshanam akhanda vrutyatmatayanubhavaya अन्वय एषः स्वयं ज्योतिः अशेष साक्षी विज्ञानकोशे विलसति अजस्रम् एनम् असत् विलक्षणम् लक्ष्यम् विधाय अखण्डवृत्त्यात्मतया अनुभावय. एषः स्वयं ज्योतिः अशेष साक्षी विज्ञानकोशे विलसति अजस्रम् एनम् असत् विलक्षणम् लक्ष्यम् विधाय अखण्डवृत्त्यात्मतया अनुभावय.
Esha, this Atma, is what? Swayam Jyoti. It is independent knowledge principle. Swayam Prakasha. Swayam Jnapti Swarupa. See, look here. You are listening. Whatever that is spoken, you are hearing. Who makes you hear it? To begin with, ear. Then mind. Then buddhi. And buddhi is activated by what? Chaitanya Swarupa, knowledge principle, Chaitanya Atma. Whereas, what about Chaitanya Atma? It doesn't depend anything else for knowledge principle. So, Swayam Jyoti means Itaraihi Aprakashya, not illumined, not made known by something else. For example, so Surya, sun. Now, see, we are sitting here. These lights, these bulbs, no, these tube lights, they illumine us. For anything to see, light is necessary. But to see the sun, light principle, itself light principle, Saprakasha. So like that, yes, Swayam Jyoti means itself the knowledge principle independent of anything else whatsoever. Swayam Jyoti Ashesha Sakshi. Ashesh Sakshi means Sarva Drashta, knower of everything including Ajnana. Whatever we don't know, we know or not. What makes us know whatever we don't know? This principle. Whatever you know, that's why see, in sleep, what do you know? Nothing. But nothing I know is what? Because of what? Chaitanya. That's why this proves that Chaitanya is, there is a Buddhistic school of thought, that is, reality is nothing, shunya. Reality is shunya, nothing, is known or not. That is the reality. How can you know without that is shunya, nothing is there? But one thing, this word shunya should be very carefully understood. Shunya word is also used for Atma. You know in what sense? Empty, E-M-P-T-Y. Khali, no, here many times. In spite of so much of Vedanta, it also Khali hota hai. So that Khali, empty. Empty, that Shunya. In Maitreya Upanishad has used this word. Given many paryayas, synonyms of Atma, one word is what? Shunya. I don't know how this Shunyavada came. Big this thing, they must have picked up from this thing, and they have made, because Shunya can mean also non-existence. Non-existence is known or not. That because of which you know the non-existence, that is what we are talking. How can you deny it? Are you aware of it or not? He has to say yes. He has to say yes. That is what. Can you deny that? How can you deny? You can't refute that. So that is what there. So that is empty. Empty. That's why Shunya. Empty of what? Prapancha. Prapancha Shunya. Prapancha Shunya. Empty of Jagat. That's why Adhyaropa Nirakaranam eva kartavya. Nothing has to be done. Get rid of the Adhyastha Prapancha. So that is our Swarupa. So that is yes. Ye Swayam Jyoti Ashesha Sakshi Sarvadrashta, knower of everything. Where is it available? Vijnana Koshe Vilasati. Vijnana Kosha Antakarana, intellectual sheet. Totally it manifests there. Totally. Manasi, because why? Most close sheet to Atma is what? Vijnana Kosha, in terms of manifestation. Anandamaya Kosha is there, but all what Moha is there. But at manifest level, Vijnanamaya Kosha is the most, this thing, that's why it is most brilliant in terms of reflection of Chaitanya. That is it. The Vijnanamaya Kosha. Have you got Vijnanamaya Kosha or not? Have you got Buddhi or not? वो बुद्धू होने पर भी है कि नहीं? In terms of what you know and what you don't know, it may be buddhu, but it is buddhi first and afterwards. Buddhi first and afterwards this buddhi is buddhu. So that is that buddhi is where. So that is where that Atma that is manifesting. So that is it. Ajasram vilasati, sports vilasati, asheshena bhatate. Enam asad vilakshanam. This Atma, distinct from asat anatma, ajasram. Ajasram means nirantaram, laksham vidhaya, having made it all laksha. Laksha here is dheya vidhaya. What you do? Akhanda vrittya, atmataya, anubhavaya. Anubhavaya, sakshat, proof, experience. How? And how? Akhanda vrittya. By akhandakara vritti, atmakara vritti, all this preparation should lead to vritti which conforms to Atma in its true Swarupa. Ajat nirantaram atmataya, as this, as the very Atma Swarupa, anubhavaya sakshat proof. What is this akhandataya, akhanda vrittya? See, khanda means division. Akhanda means no division, continuous, divisionless. What is that? Akhandata of vritti. That is further elaborated.
Etamacchinnaya vrittya pratyayantara shunyaya ullekhayan vidya प्रत्ययांतरशून्यया अच्छिन्नया वृत्त्या एतम् उल्लेखयन् स्वस्वरूपतया स्फुटं विजानीयात्। अगेन, प्रत्ययांतरशून्यया अच्छिन्नया वृत्त्या एतम् उल्लेखयन् स्वस्वरूपतया स्फुटं विजानीयात्।
This way, vijaniya, sakshat kurya, vijna means sakshatkar. Jna to know with prefix vi, it is sakshatkar. Okay. What type of how? Pratyayantara shunya, with the absence of other type of pratyaya. What are pratyayas? Anatma pratyaya. What pratyayas you should take to? Atma pratyaya, anatma pratyaya. So pratyayantara shunya means vijatiya, that is anatma thoughts are not there wherein pratyaya. Achchinnaya, achchinnaya means avicchinnaya, not intercepted by anatma vritti. See, generally illustration is given that of continuous flow of oil from one can to other, not water. You know what happens? Water flow gets broken, whereas the oil flow is a continuous ribbon, non-breaking ribbon. That is what is called, that is the vijatiya pratyaya pravaha rahita sajatiya atma pratyaya pravaha. So that is what is called as dhyana. With that achchinnaya etam ullekhayan, etam atmanam ullekhayan. Ullekhayan means vishayi kurvan, objectifying. So little technicalities we have to see. Can Atma be object of your knowledge? And how it says objectifying? Be careful. Atma cannot be the object of knowledge in the sense it is not the object of pramata, you the knower who is ahankara. Now here what is said is the object of vritti. What you mean the object of vritti? Vritti becoming like Atma, that is Vishayipura. This is accepted by all Vedantists. Atma is not, cannot, you know what happens? If Atma is the object of knowledge, you know what happens? Knower is different and known Atma and Vishnu. Known object Atma cannot be Atma. No, it is not that way. So that is what is called as means. So that is phalavritti. Phalavritti. Objectification different from the knower. That is not possible for Atma because the content of the knower is what? Atma. But here Vishayakara vritti, what is called as the vritti vyapti. Means Vishaya, Antakarana becoming exact replica of Atma. This is possible because this provision is there in the. So that's here Vishayi Ullekhayan Vishayi Kuryam means what? Vritti becoming just like Atma, thought becoming just like Atma. Ullekhayan Swaswarupataya. This as one's own Swarupa. What do you do? Say, Sputam Vijaniya. One should gain the Sakshatkara directly. So same thing should be continue.
Atratmatvam druhi kurvan ahamadishu satyajan udasinataya teshu ishte patapata divatu. आत्मत्वं दृढीकुर्वन् अहम् आदिषु संत्यजन् घटपटादिवत् तेषु उदासीनतया तिष्ठेत्. Again, अत्र आत्मत्वं दृढीकुर्वन् अहमादिषु संत्यजन् घटपटादिवत् तेषु उदासीनतया तिष्ठेत्.
Atra, here means where Paramatmani, here in Paramatma, Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. Atra, Atmatvam Dhridi Kurvam. Atmatvam means I-ness, making it very firm. Presently, where is our I-ness? Deha, Mana, Buddhi, Prana, Indriya. No, it is to place in Atma Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa. Dhridi Kurvam means Nischinvan, making it firmly assertive. Dhridi Kurvan. And what is that? What is to be done? Ahamadishu Tyajan. That I notion in the Ahankara, Buddhi, Mana, Indriya, Prana, body having given up. Means I notion in the Anatma given up. I notion in the Atma Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa is confirmed. So Santyajan, then what you do? Ghatapatadivasteshu udasinataya tishte. See, only because you don't may have the I notion in the Deha, Ahankara, Deha, Mana, Buddhi, do you mean to say they will go like that? They continue. What to do? Chota nahi hai. Even if I want to give up, they don't give you up. Say, Ghatapatadishu, udasinataya. In the house, how many things are there? Furniture, utensils, this, that, idiot box. And look here, they are not useless. They are useful. Agar cup and saucer is not there, how will you eat tea? How will you drink tea? How will you drink tea? Useful. But is your mind preoccupied? टूट जाएगा तभी थोड़ा सा वो बात अलग है. But is your mind preoccupied? No, useful. तो राइट है. बॉडी ऑल्सो यूजफुल. निधिध्यासन कैसा करेगा? नोट कैसा ले लेंगे? Indriyas are useful. If you are not able to see, what are you going to do? Is it not that here at the most you can use a hearing aid? वो भी से गया बाद में because these hearing aids are very difficult. Many times they complain the sound that comes down to what is that? If some a distant dog barks, it becomes missing. And what you want to listen is not worth at all, they say. So like that, so this, all these are necessary, but useful. But what? No attention in them. They are kept in good condition, like a boat, kept without a leak, but there is no udasinataya. So they are useful, but mind is not preoccupied. So ghatapatadeva, ghatapata upalakshana for many things in the world useful, but our mind is not preoccupied in them. So that's why ghatapatadeva. Teshu means what? Ahamadishu anatmasu ishthe. One should remain or include how to make the mind abide in Atma Swarupa. By the way, this verse is literally picked up from Adhyatma Upanishad. This is not original contribution by the author. This is from Adhyatma Upanishad belonging to Shukla Yajurveda. Now further tips to make the mind get absorbed in the Atma Swarupa, which was hinted in verse 370, there it was told, Tam Kyapi means that first resolve and make the buddhi absorb where? In the Sakshi. Even that Sakshi, when you say Sakshi Atma, that Atma is with respect to individual. But you should discover that Atma itself is what? Brahma, Jagataha, Adhisthana. So therefore what? So therefore, Tankyapi Purnatmani, that is Buddhi Sakshi Namapi, Purnatmani Niyacha is there in 370. That is means Sakshi Atma, make it abide in Purna Atma, Brahma Swarupa, which is the Adhisthana of entire Jagat. Because when you say Sakshi Atma, you are talking of Atma with respect to embodiment. Then comes, what about Ishvara? Baap udhar baitha hai. Who is that? Ishvara. Subject to the rules of the Jagat. So no, that Ishvara Swarupa also is his Sakshi Swarupa. No individuality, but totality. So that is how that is told. Continue.
Vishuddhamantakaranam swarupe nivesha sakshinyavabodhamatre shanai shanai nishchalatam upanayan Purnam Swamevanuvilokaye tataha Anvaya Vishuddham Antakaranam Sakshini Avabodhamatre Swarupe Nivesha Shanaihi Nishchalatam Upanayat Tataha Purnam Swam Eva Anuvilokayet. Again, Vishuddham Antakaranam Sakshini Avabodhamatre Swarupe Nivesha Shanaihi Nishchalatam Upanayam Tataha Purnam Swam Eva Anuvilokayet.
Vishuddham Antakarana, which is Vishuddha. Here Vishuddha. What is the Shuddhi of Antakarana? Tamoguna, Rajoguna. So Antakarana, free from Tamoguna, Rajoguna, and its Karya means Shuddha Sattva. So predominantly Sattvic in nature, such Antakaranam. Sakshini Avabodhamatre Swarupe Nivesha. Nivesha literally is depositing, making it enter. What is depositing here? Conforming to, making a replica of. What is that? Sakshi. Sakshi, the knower of everything in the embodiment. What is that Sakshi? Avabodhamatre, that which is only knowledge principle. Avabodhamatra, knowledge principle. So means Mahai Matra, all Adhyasthas are not there. No cognition of Vishaya. So in that Avabodhamatre, and what is that Avabodhamatra? Swarupe, that it is one Swarupe. Nivesha, Nivesha means samsthapya, having made it abide, means making the mind exactly like the Swarupa. Nivesha, then Shanaihi Nischalatam Upanayan, gaining the steadiness of the mind. Of what steadiness? Of abidance in the mind, in the Swarupa. How? Shanaihi. Slowly, no hurry. Do you know why? Mind is going to get distracted from it. So therefore, haste is not possible. Haste should not be taken to one should have all patience, like that Tiktiba. Industrious efforts are necessary, at the same time patience is necessary. Not that Tiktiba, small tiny bird ventures to dry the ocean with a small reed of grass in its beak, dipping in the ocean, not even one droplet, and then dropping on the beach. That resolve, that should be done. But no despair. Say, why? Just as that with that resolve, who came to help? Garuda came to help. Narada came and Narada. Like that Ishvara is there to help. That is that strength he will give. So that in the case, that Shanai, even Lord Krishna says, Shanai Ruparame Buddhya Dhriti Grihitaya Atma Samana Kritva Nakinchidapi Chintaya. Shanai, no hurry. Slowly, no hurry means after retirement देखेंगे, तो after retirement you will not be able to do कुछ देखने को भी नहीं होगा. Up to retirement होगा कि वो पता है. Nowadays bypass starts at 35. so therefore that, so not that way, but that hurriedness of the mind is not there. Despair of the mind is not there. Mind that is preoccupied. So that is Nityataya se tataha, thereby with this reasoning, Purnam Swam eva anuvilokaye. Swam, one Swarupa, Purnam. Without that there is nothing else at all. Anuvilokaye means what? Anu, Paschat, how? In accordance with the teaching of the Shastra. In accordance with the teaching of the Anuvilokaye. Now, this Akhandakara Vritti will not be continuous as we think. Khanda is bound to be there. What is to be done? That is for the Siksa Nitya.
Om Swasti Prajapya Paripalayantam Nyayena Magena Mahimahisa Gopramaniya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Vashatu Karyamyaha Sruti Tasya Shanini Deshoyam Shobharivaha Brahmana Tanjunitraya Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niyamaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashyit Dukkha Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Samato Ma Yote Gamaya Yatyo Ma Amrutam Gamaya Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnam